From the one I've started cooking, guys, as you know, I've never added seasoning cube to my food or Maggi cube to my food. That's why it's organic. I have my own reasons why I don't like Maggi cube, because it have effect to my own reasons. It have effect to the body, so I do my food natural. Alone will even kill your neighbors. Don't forget to cook this in your house, please. Okay.
And if you see how I'm sweating in front of this load, it's not someone who will tell you that it's very delicious.
Please don't forget to do what?
And then
1, 2, 3. You don't forget to
subscribe. Hello lovely family, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are so happy that you guys have been following us up to date. We say we are so happy about it. If you are a new member here, we say welcome. If you are an old member, we say thank you for following us. Guys, we thank you guys for sharing our video, subscribing, liking, and leaving your comment in the comment section. We say we love you so much. In today's video, we are going to prepare Ghanaian's popular food, which is yam porridge. In our local language, we call it Npomtompoto. So my auntie is here to introduce the ingredients in tree for you guys. Please, guys, take your seat and follow us.
Yeah, okay. Abusuafo ne adofo ne ahwefo. Ene mu hu se yende transi ane chese aduane no a na ekoso. Ti ene aduane ye be ye no. Aduane ne ye short kra. Ti aduane no eye bayure Npomtompoto. Na ye ba be ye ehu aduane enne. Mako na ntosi a ye de be ye. Okay, jene na ye garlic. Ponso a ye de be ye ni. Monko mane sisawa. Na tilapia mpata. Ye de be gum ne ye boko. Okay.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave your comments, your suggestions in the comment section. We love you. We are going to start. Take your seat and follow us.
Okay, bye-bye.
So guys, you have to peel your yam like this. Peel it nicely. Then after peeling, you cut it and you put it on fire. Finish peeling my yam. I'm here to cut it into small. Oh! You cut it into small sizes, any size that you want. I finish peeling, I'm cutting, I'm doing cutting. After cutting, so guys, I finished cutting it, so I'm washing it, transfer it into my pot. You wash it nicely, then you transfer it into your pot. After that, you put it on fire. I'm going to use it for you today. Send a cup around. Okay, I'm running this. Wow, my yam porridge is getting ready. Not easy, oh, not easy. This food is easy to make. If you want to cook yam porridge, it's very easy. You can do it at any time. It's getting ready. I'm adding my water leaf to it. You can decide to Hello guys, please just give me 5 minutes. Everything will be ready right now. From the one I've started cooking, guys, as you know, I've never added seasoning cube to my food or Maggi cube to my food. That's why it's organic. I have my own reasons why I don't like Maggi cube, because it have effect to my own reasons. It have effect to the body, so I do my food natural. Oh, my yam porridge is ready. Wow, 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 as you can see, every area, the aroma alone has taken place. So, oh. It's very sweet. So I'm going to take it off from the fire. It's ready.
Okay.
My yam porridge is ready, so I'm serving.
What's that? You have to make us up. Mukasa, you are not my casa.
Welcome once again to Eagle Eye. Today we are having our rice porridge here.
Yam.
Sorry. We are having Npomtompoto here. In other words, yam porridge. You know, it's the main ingredients. It's yam. It's yam. So as you can see, I believe most of you follow the procedure. So you join us once again as we enjoy our local cuisine. You join us once again as we enjoy our local cuisine. And don't forget to share, you like, and you subscribe. Thank you. Welcome once again to your uncle.
It's a go on.
Very great. I swear. We thank God
Thank the driver.
again. Yeah, he's the driver of days and nights. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Today, this is one of the Ghanaian most indigenous local cuisine known as Npomtompoto. Let me come. Can't even describe how the taste is. Npomtompoto is a Ghanaian cuisine. Npomtompoto is a Ghanaian cuisine made with either yam or cocoa yam. You can use yam or cocoa yam. It is also known as
It tastes so great.
yam pottage. And yam pottage. And Yorubas or Nigerians are calling it asaro in their language.
Okay.
Please try this in your local homes. You thank me later. And it's very good, very beneficial for those who want to reduce weight. So try this. You thank us later.
Alone, we even kill your neighbors. Don't forget to cook this in your house, please. Okay.
And if you see how I'm sweating in front of this load, it's not someone who will tell you that it's very delicious.
Please don't forget to do what? Eagle eye angle.
And then
1, 2, 3. You don't forget to
Subscribe.
Okay, aduane no ehye. Ti asa mama ntimi ndi aduane ne kra so aduane ne ye den kra medi no. Enku no. Aduane no eya akono na ye den so. Ini achi ame na aduane ye de.
can't describe how
Aduane ne ye kama. Hey.
I can't
Odi
even
adofo ne ahwefo ne abusiafo. Momra o na mmaboa me.
See the way I'm
Aduane ne ye den. Aduane ne ye de.
I can't even describe how the taste is. Now, I'm even tired of using spoon. I'll use the natural spoon known as S-P-O-O-N.
Please. Use the spoon for us. We beg you. We beg you.
Hi there. We'd like
want to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.